Okay, this is a laptop. I'm coming to replace the keyboard. Okay. The first thing you have to take out all the screw back of the laptop. So many screw, make sure you remove all the screw. Okay. Take out the battery first. Push this to connector. Take out the battery. Now you need to take out all the screws. So many screws. Make sure you take out all the screw back of the laptop. Okay. After you take out all this, remove the CD-ROM. Now you need to open the laptop. Just raise the cover up. Remove the back cover. Slide it like this. Now you need to remove the motherboard. Remove everything, so you can take out this panel, so you can have access to remove the keyboard. So you have to remove first the speaker. Disconnect the cable. Make sure you disconnect all this cable here. The mouse cable. Disconnect the keyboard cable from this side. Okay. Remove this connector. Take out this other speaker, so you can remove this motherboard, this USB motherboard here. Okay. Take out this one screw. Take out this motherboard with one side. Remove the screw here to remove the hard disk. You need to remove everything. Okay. Slide the hard disk down. Take out the hard disk with one side. Okay. Try to remove the motherboard. Take out all the screw. The motherboard screw is short. Take out the Wi-Fi card. Remove the Wi-Fi card. Okay. Remove the processor fan. The processor fan screw is long. Okay. The motherboard screw is short. Disconnect it. Remove this connector. This one goes to the charging system. Take out the processor fan. Disconnect the LCD cable. Okay. You have to remove this 1 inches. Make sure you look for all the screws and take out the motherboard. Just shake it small and see if there's anything, hold it again. Disconnect this connector. This one goes to the on and off button. Remove this one screw here. Okay. Take out the motherboard. Remove the inches. Because the panel go under the inches, so you have to take out the inches. You separate the screen. Okay. Take out the screw here also. After you remove all the screw on the inches, then you do like you try to open the laptop a bit. So this one will open. Okay. Like I can remove the charging system. Just put the one side, charging ports. Okay. Take out this one screw here to remove the on and off board. This on and off button here with a small motherboard. Just take it out. Okay. Now you try to remove this panel. Just remove this panel. All the clip. Just remove all the clip. If you have no other option, this is the only option you have. There's no way to remove the keyboard without removing this panel, so don't worry. After you finish, I will show you how to fix it again very easy with the soldering iron. You have to remove all the clip. You have to remove all the clip just like this, okay? You have to remove everything. There's no magic, this is the only way you have to do, okay? If you like, can separate the keyboard from the LCD, okay? But this one, they already modified this side, so there is no need for me to separate the LCD from the keyboard side. So I just need to open this way because already they modified from this side. Okay, just open this way and fold it like this, so I can have access to take out the keyboard. Keyboard also the same thing, just take it out like this. Take out the keyboard. Okay, after you remove the keyboard, you just clean inside small before you put the new keyboard. Then the half rubber on top of the clip, just remove them so that the other keyboard will rest properly. Just remove those half rubber, just round and remove them so that the other keyboard will rest properly before you start using the soldering iron. Okay, clean it very nice. Okay, now it's time to fix the new keyboard. Okay, just make sure it goes inside the clip very well. Okay, so it rests properly like this. All the clip is up. Okay, now you can use the soldering iron. You bend the rubber like this, just put it like this. Then use your hand, just squeeze it hard so that the clip will hold the keyboard. Don't worry, it's not going to burn you. Just do it like this. Okay, you have to do it everywhere where the clip come out. Okay, just do it like that. Don't worry, it's not going to burn you. Just use your hand and do it so it will make the clip rest properly. Be careful for this connector. This way, and touch this connector, the keyboard will get damaged. Okay. Just make sure you bend all the rubber everywhere, right around, everywhere. Okay, you have to burn all the rubber and you press it so the keyboard will rest properly. Okay. This is the only way you have to do it. Make sure you do it everywhere. Okay. All the rubber, burn them with the soldering, and you just press with your finger like this and hold it there a bit. It's a bit hot, but nothing happens to you. Okay. Just do it. Have to do it everywhere. Okay. If you remove your keyboard and the clip is too short, you can use this machine. Okay, you just pour some of the glue. Just get this one from DIY. Okay, you just put some inside the main places to make the clip rest. Okay, just put it everywhere that you know that the clip is broke from down. Cannot use the soldering to do it, so you can use this one also. Okay, this one also is like a rubber. Put inside there very nice like this. Okay, After I fix the keyboard very nice, you do the same thing also on this panel. Okay, do the same thing also. Put it down straight like this. Make sure all the clips go inside very well before you start using the Serdang. Okay, then you bend all the clip. Just use the Serdang, bend all. Okay, you want the Serdang cannot reach, you can use the machine to use the rubber. You have to do the same thing everywhere. Everywhere there's rubber, you have to be careful for this cable, okay? So that will not burn it. Do it everywhere, the same thing. Make sure the clip go inside properly before you start using the Serdang, okay? Burn everywhere, okay? After I fix the panel very nice, okay, start fixing everything back. Okay, you fix this on and off motherboard first. Okay, the button is there, replace the one screw. Okay, put back the charging system, charging ports. Okay, close back the hinges. Okay, replace back the screw you take out from there. Put back the motherboard. Make sure all the cable is up. Replace all the screw you take out. Don't forget the motherboard screw is very short like this. Make sure you fix all the connector you take out. Make sure the connector go inside properly before you close it. Okay. And remove this plastic on the keyboard connector also. Take out this plastic. Fix the connector. Make sure you go inside very well. Go inside very nice and close it. Okay. Fix back the processor fan. Replace back the two screw you take out. The screw is long. Fix back the connector. Fix back the on and off connector here. Make sure you fix all the connectors, okay? Fix the charging system connector. Fix back the LCD one. Make sure you go inside all the clip. Exactly how you take it. Okay. Fix back the addicts. Slide it inside. Okay. Replace back the one screw you take out here. Fix back this motherboard, USB. Place back the one screw you take out. Fix the connector. Make sure you go inside properly, down before you close it. Okay. Then fix back the speaker. Slide it in first on the clip here. Before you start putting the screw, slide it in, then you place the screw. Fix back the Wi-Fi card. Make sure you pass all the connector back exactly how you take it. All the cable, pass them very nice, so that the laptop will close properly. The speaker on also. Very nice like this. Okay. Put back the back cover. Slide it in from this side. Close all the clip. Make sure it rests properly. Okay. Put back the CD-ROM. Now replace back all the screw you take out. Okay. Make sure you replace all the screw you take out. Okay. Don't leave any screw. After you finish, you replace all the screw. You on the laptop. The laptop is on. As you can see, laptop have password. I don't know the password, but you can see I press the key. You can see the password is trying to come in. Delete. Everything is working. Now the keyboard is good. Everything is okay. That means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.